In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the user guide on the HubSpot platform, specifically through accessing the data model section. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to brush up on your skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can confidently manage your data and make the most of HubSpot's capabilities. First things first, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot user guide. You can easily access this by visiting the HubSpot website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the user guide section. This area serves as an invaluable resource, providing you with detailed documentation and instructions on a variety of topics related to HubSpot. If you ever find yourself unsure about any HubSpot feature, the user guide is an excellent place to start. After you're in the user guide, your next move is to find and click on the option labeled Data Model. The data model is crucial because it's essentially the central framework that outlines how different types of data, like your contacts, companies, deals, and more, are organized and interact within HubSpot. Understanding and configuring the data model is key to ensuring that all your information is structured correctly and aligns with your company's needs. Once you've clicked on Data Model, you'll be taken to a new page that provides an overview of the current data setup in your HubSpot account. Here you can see how everything is connected and where certain data points are linked or stored. This visualization can help you quickly diagnose any issues or see opportunities for more efficient data structuring. Next, look for the option to Edit Data Model. Clicking this will allow you to make adjustments to the way your data is organized. When editing your data model, you can add new properties, modify existing ones, and rearrange how different elements are associated. Be sure to think carefully about the changes you intend to make. It's important that any edits align with your business processes and data collection needs. Keep in mind that making changes to your data model could have far-reaching impacts on reporting and automation, so it's wise to have a clear idea of your objectives and double-check your changes before applying them. If necessary, consult with team members or refer back to the user guide to ensure you're making the most informed decisions. As you wrap up, always remember to save your changes after editing the data model. This ensures all your modifications are applied across your HubSpot account. With these steps completed, you should now have a well-organized data model that empowers you to leverage HubSpot more effectively. Thanks for watching this guide on navigating the HubSpot user guide and editing your data model. With these insights, you're well on your way to mastering the nuances of HubSpot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful.